All I got in my head is that last song.
So we've been listening to Adele. She was interviewed on CBC, but that's not what we're here to talk about.
No? What are we here to talk about?
Why am I wearing red today?
You tell me.
No, you told me.
No, you tell me. I told you we can't talk about this because I can't remember exactly what it's for.
Missing Aboriginal women. Murdered and missing.
But, yes. And it's some outrageous number. And they actually stopped them from taking statistics for a few years. Anyway, it's very sad. I'm sad.
In other news, Joe's insisting that we get a pet owl. And I'm going to show you a clip of why she wants a pet owl.
Oh, yes, this is video 3 of 3.
Here comes the clip. So this is, oh, look at that.
You gonna try to fly?
Exercising those wings.
Yeah.
So this is a barn owl.
A barn owl. He's about 7 weeks old.
Well, wasn't that amazing? Yeah. I took that. I shot that. I was the cinematographer.
No, I think I shot that.
No, I shot that. I did.
Whatever.
The bird's flapping. I got that.
That was me.
I hate you. That's why we're still married. He tells me my memory isn't very good. I don't know why. I can't remember why he tells me my memory isn't very good.
That's right.